Listen, lawyers are great people, but they do have an ego at times. And everyone does, but
don't we all? Yeah.
I would say though that I'm not a lawyer, so I can go to court and represent myself, and I can do the research and I can go and argue my case. Now, if I was convicted of something serious, I may want to get a lawyer. I'm not going to try to do it myself. But quite frankly, I'm the kind of person that even if I got a speeding ticket, I'm getting a lawyer. I'm not going to try to do anything myself. I'll leave it to the expert. And that's sort of my feeling when it comes to, there's a lot of marketing that you can research and try to do your own. And an expert can help you even do those things on your own. And I would just consult an expert anyway. Get those things maybe even planned and sorted, and then you can take some of them yourself to do. But I would get with an expert.
Yeah, and I'll get a little woo for just a minute because it's kind of like, let me relate it, right? You're going to not go tell a potential client that they can do this case themselves, are you? So let me break it down. Like, you're a lawyer and practicing law is a form of art.
Yep.
Just like marketing is. Marketing yourself is a form of art. And what's great about, let's just use Spotlight Branding as instance, because that's what we do every day, is that we have writers in-house who know the technical skills of communicating in a certain way to represent their clients, just like lawyers represent their clients. And so it's a form of art. And I think that you should leave the skill set to the artist out there.